Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This really doesn't have anything to do with Corel. I'm a member of the APA, which is the International Personalization, and this is this expo. Next February, this is September of 2025, and the reason I'm making a video is they're offering a coupon. It's February 24th through the 22nd, 2026 at the Horseshoe Resort in Las Vegas. A lot of people through the years have wanted to take classes for me, and I just got the word that I do have a class this year. My class will be from 4:30 to 6, Tuesday the 24th. And in that class, it's going to be a very advanced class, macros and hotkeys and things I've learned over the year. I've been using Corel now for almost 19 years, and I have a lot of videos online, as you might know. But also, I'm going to stay late because it's the last class of the day, and we're going to stay late, and we're going to do some one-on-ones and answers and questions. And if you've got a problem with a file, bring a thumb drive, and we'll look at it. I've been going every year. I only missed 1 year, but that was a year that they didn't have it because of COVID. I mean, it's easy to do. Just read along, apply. Now, there is a coupon right now until probably the first of the show that you get $50 off for your first year membership. And if you need help, there's the phone number. It's a great organization. There's the code. Green, all in cap 50 for $50 off. They're asking me to make this video and try to get everybody aware and some new members. If there's a lot of value in the membership, full access to the show, discounts from vendors and suppliers. They produce a magazine. I think it comes every other month. There's their link. And I will post the link to the APA. And I'm going to post some videos that a friend of mine makes that talks about the show. And he did it last year and a couple years ago. It's I learned a lot of stuff I know about Corel from this show. I used to go for probably the first 10 years to learn. And here's my description of my next class. And it's and there's going to be other classes. The classrooms are going to be packed. And if so, we're going to go to the website, and there's the class schedule is not up yet because they're just finalizing it. But it's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. They cut it off in the morning on the day that the showroom floor opens. See, the show starts, the vendor show starts Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Almost all day, and then a half a day on Friday so people can pack up and go home. There's a party on the showroom floor, new products, award celebration. If you're a member, you get a free breakfast on Friday. All you have to do is go right up here and go to join or renew, and easy steps and join. And then there'll be an area in there for it's $279. And when maybe my first year, I was going like, man, that's expensive. But the benefit, if you're in business of laser engraver, sublimating, printing, or anything, you're going to get more than $279 out of this. And you you learn so much from vendors and what's new out there. And they're, probably they haven't got this completely updated yet, but you can go through and look at and watch these little clips. There's the showroom floor. This is the Epilogue booth, which I hang around. And one thing I'll say about Epilogue, it's the only company I know of, a laser company, way that Mike Dean, one of the founding owners, is on the showroom floor. And I can't say enough about it. Just, think about going and email me if you have any questions about it. But watch the videos at the end and plan on coming to my class and staying late. And if you can't make it Tuesday, get hold of me and we'll do another time on a one-on-one. I love solving problems and I love teaching about Corel Draw. Anyway, hope to see you in February.